friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Hope all of you are very well. Today in this video I am going to tell you a story. Who is honest? One day King Krishna Devaraya was sitting in the court with his courtiers and was enjoying an interesting discussion. The topic was, who are most honest, the rich or the poor? Rajguru said, Your Majesty, when a poor man is forced by his adverse circumstances, he becomes dishonest. But he is helpless because his poverty makes him do so. Just then, Tenali stood up and said, Your Majesty, I don't agree with Rajguru. The courtiers began to discuss the issue in whispers. They had a variety of opinions. Some said that Rajguru was right, while others believed that Tenali was right. But everyone was curious to know why Tenali had said so. The king asked Tenali, Can you prove, Tenali, that whatever Rajguru said is wrong? Tenali replied, I can prove, Your Majesty, but I want some time. The king asked Tenali how much time he wanted. Tenali replied with folded hands, About a week, a little more or less depending upon the circumstances. The king said to Tenali, Tenali, can you tell me what you want to do? Then Tenali whispered something in the king's ear, hearing which the latter said, All right, I'd make arrangements if you can prove your contention to be true. Later, in the presence of the king, Tenali asked for some gold coins from the royal treasury. After counting them, he put them into 2 small bags. Then he said to the king, Maharaj, I will throw these bags on 2 different roads. One is the path trodden by the Nagarset to the river Tungabhadra to have his bath early in the morning every day, and the other is the path taken by a very poor man early in the morning in search of work. Now let us see which of these bags returns intact. The king expressed his consent. Next morning, Tenali threw a bag on the Nagarset's path and hid behind a tree and began to watch the path. As usual, at dawn, the Seth came out of his house and left for the river to take his bath. But when he saw a small bag lying on the way, he stopped and exclaimed, What sort of bag is this? I must open and see what it contains. As he opened the bag, many gold coins came out, making a clanking sound and fell on the ground. The Seth was bewildered. He shouted, Oh my God, these are gold coins. What an auspicious day it is for me. I must take away these gold coins before anyone sees me doing so. The Seth quickly gathered the gold coins and instead of going to take bath, he turned back to his home, hiding the gold coins in the fold of his shirt. In his heart, he thanked Goddess Lakshmi for showering her grace on him. Next day, Tenali Raman threw the other bag on the poor man's way. When the poor man spotted the bag lying on his way, He immediately lifted it up in surprise and exclaimed, "Who threw this bag here so early in the morning? Let me see what it contains." And when he did so, his eyes almost burst out of his socket on seeing the gold coins. "Oh God, so much money! What should I do with it?" While the poor man was returning home, the gold coins stirred a commotion in his conscience. "Oh God, what should I do with this? Should I use them for my benefit or return to the owner?" Now the poor man was in a fix. He was thinking, maybe this bag belongs to someone needy like me. Maybe these coins are his lifetime's saving. I must return them. But whom I should return in this to? After a long deliberation, the poor man decided to deposit them in the royal treasury. He did so and took the receipt of the deposit thus made. But these activities took his entire day and he couldn't earn anything on that day. Tenali waited for many days, but the other bag didn't return. Then Tenali informed the king, "Your Majesty, only one bag has been returned." "That's nice," exclaimed the king. "Who returned the bag?" "The poor man," exclaimed Tenali Raman. "All right, now bring the set," ordered the king, and added, "I will ask him what he did with that money he found on his way to the river, and also bring that poor man." When both the wanted persons reached the royal court, the king first asked the Seth, "What did you do with the money you found on your way to the river?" "Oh, that money," the Seth began rather hesitatingly. "I have invested it in my business." "Why didn't you try to return the money to its legitimate owner?" the king asked sternly. "Why should I have done that?" the Seth questioned. "I found the bag on my way, Maharaj. Deeming it to be a token of the grace of Goddess Lakshmi, I brought it home." "But you will have to return that money to state treasury as it was royal property," the king announced. "Have mercy on me, Maharaj," pleaded the Seth. "How can I return that money now? I have used it in my business and I suffered heavy losses in my business." The king kept quiet for some time and then asked the poor man, "Why didn't you use that money? If you had wanted, you could have easily eradicated your poverty with that money." "My conscience didn't allow me to accept it. I thought possibly this money might be the life's earning of some person like me. In that case, by using that money, I would have committed a grave sin," the poor man explained. In the evening, when Tenali Raman went to the king's chamber, he said, "Maharaj, didn't I tell you that it's only a poor man who is honest and not a rich man?" "You are very much right, Tenali," admitted the king. "Really, poor men are more honest than rich men. By your test, you have proved it conclusively." This remark by the king brought admiration for the Tenali Raman. Then Tenali said, "Your Majesty, you promised me that if I was found correct, you would reward me." "Yes, Tenali," said the king. "Not only you, but that poor man also deserves a reward." Then the king asked the royal cashier to bring that bag, which was duly returned. He summoned the poor man and gave that bag containing gold coins to him, saying, "This is the reward for your honesty and high sense of morality." The poor man happily accepted the reward and went home. Then the king ordered the cashier to bring another bag containing equal amount of gold coins and gave it to Tenali Raman. Tenali Raman happily accepted the reward. The Seth was asked to return that money to the royal treasury. This was his punishment for being dishonest and greedy. So, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get all the latest news stories. Share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching our video.